Corvettes have been around a lot longer than you think. The first reference to a Corvette was with the French Navy in the 1670s, which may be where the term originated. Today, these small and diverse warships are used the world over as a maneuverable and budget-friendly alternative to larger ships. For our viewers, we prepared a list of the world's best Corvettes based on multi-mission capabilities, armaments, and maneuverability. Let's take a look at them. Our list starts with the Buyan-class Corvettes, or Project 21630. These Corvettes are in service with the Russian Navy. The vessels serve the Caspian Flotilla of the Southern Military District. The ship can perform missions in shallow waters and river mouths, particularly for delivering troops directly to land. The ship has a length of 203.4 feet, beam of 31.5 feet, and a draft of 6.6 feet. The Buyan class has a displacement of about 500 tons. Each vessel can accommodate a crew of 29 to 36. The main gun fitted on the bow deck is a single A190 100mm cannon. Close point defense is provided by two AK-306 30mm close-in weapon systems. The ship is also armed with an A215 Grad-M naval multiple launch rocket system. The system can fire up to 40 122mm rockets against onshore targets. The air defense capabilities are complemented by a 4-tube 3M47 Gibka naval missile launcher, firing IGLA or IGLA-S anti-aircraft missiles. The Buyan class integrates positive M-Air or surface search radar, MR-231 navigation radar, and 5P-10 Laska shipborne radar gunfire control system. The electronic warfare aboard the Buyan class includes two PK-10 shipboard decoy launching systems mounted on either side of the stern behind the superstructure. The system can launch up to 10 electrical and optronic decoys to deceive the incoming anti-ship missiles. The Buyan class is powered by two Zvezda M520 radial diesel engines driving two pump jet propulsors. Each engine delivers a maximum output of 5,398 horsepower at 2,000 RPM. The propulsion system provides a maximum speed of 28 knots and a range of 1,500 nautical miles. The next position in our list is the Steregushchy class Corvettes, or Project 20380. Steregushchy class Corvettes are the multi-role vessels used by the Russian Navy. Today, there are 6 warships in service. The first Corvette in its class, Steregushchy, was laid in December 2001 and launched in May 2006. These vessels also have an export variant known as the Tiger-class Corvettes, which are in service with the Algerian Navy. These corvettes can be deployed in coastal patrol, escort, and anti-submarine warfare operations. The vessels can engage surface ships, submarines, aircraft, and shore-based targets. The structural dimensions include an overall length of 344.5 feet, a width of 42.7 feet, and a draft of 9.8 feet. The full load displacement of the ship is 2,100 tons. The Steregushchy class features a Sigma Combat Information Management System that collects information from the radars and sensors and provides real-time situational awareness. It also allows the ship to exchange intelligence information with other naval units in the battle group. The Steregushchy class is armed with a combination of missile systems, including KH-35 missiles and 3M-54 club missiles. 2 Redut KSAM systems on board provide close-in air defense against anti-ship missiles, aircraft, and small surface targets. The main gun fitted forward is an Arsenal A190 100mm naval gun. 2 30mm 6-barreled AK-630M automatic gun mounts are also installed on the vessel, which can fire up to 5,000 rounds a minute for a maximum range of 6,400 feet. The Steregushchy class is powered by 4 16D49 diesel engines, developing a total power output of 23,320 horsepower. The propulsion system provides a maximum speed of 27 knots and a cruising range of 3,800 nautical miles at a speed of 14 knots. The next Corvette on our list is the Sigma class. These class of corvettes are built by Damen Scheld Naval Shipbuilding of the Netherlands and are intended primarily for export sale. The class is currently in inventory with the Indonesian Navy, the Mexican Navy, and the Royal Moroccan Navy. The primary missions of the Sigma class include exclusive economic zone patrol, deterrence, search and rescue, SAR, and anti-submarine warfare. At the heart of the Sigma class design is a modular approach. The vessel can be built to suit the needs of a particular customer, and the end product can cover such types as fast attack corvette, standard ocean-going corvette, offshore patrol vessel, or basic frigate fighting forms. The structural dimensions include a running length of 297.6 feet, a beam of 42.8 feet, and a draught of 11.9 feet. The displacement reaches 1,700 tons, depending on the overall configuration. The ship can serve a crew of up to 80 personnel. Sonar is mounted in the bow, giving the warship an advantage against enemy submarines. The armament includes a 76mm Otto-Melara turreted deck gun, two 20mm Denel GL2 Giat M693 F2 autocannons, two MBDA Mistral Tetral surface-to-air quad missile launchers, 4 MBDA Exocet MM.40 Block 2 anti-ship missiles, and 2 triple torpedo tubes supporting the Mu-90 torpedoes. The propulsion system consists of 2 SEMPT Pilestick 20PA 6B STE engines with 4 Caterpillar 3406 CTA generators. Its maximum speed in ideal conditions reaches 28 knots, though cruising is generally at 18 knots. Its range is out to 3,600 nautical miles. The second place position is taken by the K130 Corvettes. The K130 Braunschweig class of the German Navy is a series of 5 modern corvettes. The first and the fourth corvette were built by Blohm & Voss, the second and fifth by Lürsen, and the third by Nordsvurk. These multi-mission corvettes are deployed for service surveillance, anti-service warfare, and littoral missions. The K130 Corvettes are designed with stealth features, low draft, and highly automated weapons and defense systems to support littoral warfare, and particularly for operations of a multinational crisis reaction force. The Corvette's dimensions are the following. The displacement is about 1,580 tons, the overall length is 288.7 feet, and breadth is 42.7 feet. In the role of an air defense missile, the K130 Corvette selected the RBS-15 Mk3, which is a fire-and-forget day-and-night anti-ship missile with land attack capability. The missile uses active Ku-band radar homing and has a range of more than 108 nautical miles. The missile has a high subsonic speed, Mach 0.9, and is armed with a 441-pound warhead. The vessels are armed with 2 Raytheon or Ramses Rolling Airframe Missile (RAM) 21-cell Mk49 surface-to-air missile launchers. The ship's main gun is the Otto-Melara 62 caliber 76mm Super Rapid Naval Gun, which has a rate of fire of 120 rounds a minute. The Corvette also carries 2 27mm Mauser guns. For the electronic support measure system, the K130 uses the EADS SPS N5000 radar, operating over frequencies of 2 to 18 GHz. The system intercepts, locates, analyzes, classifies, and identifies threats, and has multiple target tracking capability. The Corvette is powered by 2 MTU 20V1163 TB93 diesel engines, providing a maximum speed of more than 26 knots and a cruising range of more than 2,500 nautical miles. And first place goes to the Visby class. These stealth corvettes were built for the Swedish Navy by the Swedish company Kockums. The lead ship of the class, Visby K31, was launched in June 2000 and was delivered to the Swedish Defense Materiel Administration in June 2002 for fitting for weapons and combat systems. Overall, the class includes 5 versatile vessels designed for anti-surface warfare, anti-submarine warfare, mine countermeasures, and maritime patrol. Initially, the Visby vessels were not fitted with an air defense missile system, but could later be equipped with the Omkonto surface-to-air missile system with a range of 12 kilometers and ceiling of 10,000 meters. The system is capable of engaging up to 8 targets. These warships are also equipped with 8 Saab Bofors Dynamic RBS-15 Mk2 anti-ship missiles with a range of more than 108 nautical miles. For anti-submarine warfare, the Visby is equipped with a suite of ASW 127mm rocket-powered grenade launchers, depth charges, and torpedoes. The Visby-class vessels are equipped with the mass decoy system, which can launch up to 32 omnispectral projectiles in a time-staggered configuration against anti-ship missiles and guided projectiles. The combined diesel or gas Kodog propulsion integrates 4 TF50A gas turbines for medium and high-speed operation and 2 MTU diesel engines for low-speed maneuvering. The propulsion system ensures a maximum speed of over 35 knots and a range of 2,500 nautical miles at 15 knots. Well, that's enough for today. Let us know in the comments which Corvette impressed you the most. And don't forget to give us a like and smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications to not miss any new interesting videos. See you next time.